Welcome the our channel. Today we how to use Notion, pro tips step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new workspace if you haven't done so already. Familiarize yourself with the sidebar, where you can access pages in databases. To create a new page, click the Add a Page button in the sidebar. Name your page according to its purpose. Select a template if you need a quick start, or choose a blank page for complete customization. Use the / command to add different content blocks, like text, headings, images, and more. Customize the appearance of your text by using the formatting options at the top of the page. To create a table, type /table and select either inline or full page options based on your needs. For databases, use the table, board, or list formats to best organize your information. You can link pages together by typing it followed by the page name. To create a toggle list, type /toggle to keep your workspace clean and organized. Add reminders by selecting /reminder to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Utilize Notion's integration with other apps by using the /embed command to include content from external sources. Combine your notes and tasks into a single view by using a database in filtering or sorting options. Leverage the share feature to collaborate with team members or share your workspace. Regularly explore Notion's community templates for inspiration and new ideas. Customize your workspace by changing icon and cover images for a personalized touch. Use keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, such as Ctrl+B for bold and Ctrl+I for italics. Keep experimenting with various features to discover what works best for your workflow. Optimize your use of Notion by regularly updating and refining your pages based on your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.